Today is Wednesday, the 21st, and we are on our ninth lesson where we're going to learn about Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton. Our lesson objective is I can describe the effects of the discoveries of Galileo and Newton. So we have heard about Galileo and Newton, and we've briefly discussed them so far. But they are two significant people, part of the scientific revolution that happened in Europe during this time period. And as we've been learning about the scientific revolution, we keep coming back to the scientific method and like the importance of how this was a huge shift from how truth was found from the Middle Ages, where people went to the Catholic Church as it was the source of all knowledge. Only a limited number of people could actually read the Bible, so it was only read and interpreted by a certain group of people. And then the scientific method comes around, and that challenges what the church thinks, does, so on and so forth. And if we really want to uh, simplify the scientific method, we can sort of think of it in the sense of how did Galileo, how did Isaac Newton draw the conclusions that they were able to come to, and it was through observation. It was through experiment, but it was through actually seeing things happen in front of them and tracking things and watching things happen, rather than asking someone like what they thought. So this is something that's really important in this idea of like observation and following a way of doing experiments or finding truth, finding information really changed. And because Galileo and because Isaac Newton were able to actually prove things through observation, this really changed the way people started to look at the world and started to actually think about things. So with that being said, we're now going to move right on to this TikTok about Galileo as a brief introduction to him.